Now from all fours, we're going to go into child's pose. We're going to take the hips back toward the heels, belly rests on top of the thighs, reach the arms out in front, wrists about shoulder width distance apart. And then once you have that nice long feeling in the torso, on your next inhalation, bring the shoulders over the wrists. Now, you're going to notice that the knees are further behind the hips. You're going to keep that navel firm so we don't rest in the lower back here for a modified plank. And curl the toes under on your next exhale. Lift the hips up and back toward the wall behind you. Keep the knees slightly bent, deepen the crease in the hip for downward facing dog. On your next inhalation, straighten the legs, shoulders over the wrists. Keep pushing into those fingertips. Exhale, knees back down, tops of the feet to the floor, belly rests on top of the thighs. And we'll do this more breath in hands. So every inhalation here from child's pose, we come forward, curl toes under, shoulders over wrist, broaden collarbones. Exhale, hips up and back, strong navel, knees stay slightly bent. Inhale, back into the top of a push-up for plank pose. Exhale, knees down, tops of the feet to the floor there, and belly rests back on top of the thighs. You'll continue to do this at your own pace, connecting your breath with your own movement, anywhere between 5 and 7 rounds.